How to change FTP account password in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now, click FTP Management icon. Here is the list of FTP accounts. Click the account whose password you wish to change. You can enter the new password manually or click this Generate icon to generate it automatically. Click the Password Generator icon. Copy and save the generated password and then click Modify button. That's it. We have changed the password of the selected FTP account. Thank you for watching.